I'm referring to another tax declaration with number D056-03442 also for TCT number RT3191 open close parenthesis 163660. Do you have it with you, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, I am referring to that same document that you are presently in possession and previously pre-marked as our Exhibit 162, and in the presence of the prosecution's representative, could you please tell us... Yes, Your Honor. In whose name is this tax declaration?
It is declared in the name of Attorney Renato Corona.
Okay. And
what is the date of that tax declaration?
April 25, 2001, Your Honor.
All right.
And can you kindly refer to the location of the property as appearing in the tax declaration?
This property is located also in Xavierville Subdivision, Barangay Loyola Heights.
Okay, Mr. Witness, on the same document, which is Exhibit 162, can you refer to the dorsal portion thereof? And I'm referring to the market value at the lower middle portion of the dorsal portion. Can you read the market value of the property?
The market value is 503,520 pesos, Your Honor.
At this juncture, Your Honor, may we request that the market value of this property be encircled and be marked as our Exhibit 162-A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And Mr. Witness, there is that portion on the dorsal page, assessed value. Could you read that for us?
The assessed value is 125,880 pesos.
Your Honor, at this point, may we request that this document, that this data be encircled and be marked as our Exhibit 162-B, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Okay. Now, Mr. Witness, still referring to the subpoena duces tecum that you received, I'm referring to another tax declaration, this time with number D-056-02-564 with TCT number N-141891 issued by the Registrar of Deeds of Quezon City. Do you have it with you, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and could you kindly tell us in whose name is it declared?
It is declared to Renato C. Corona, married to Cristina R. Corona.
Okay, and could you kindly tell us where this property is located?
This property is also located in Xavierville Subdivision, Barangay Loyola Heights.
Okay, Mr. Witness, I'm now referring again to the dorsal portion of this time Exhibit 163. Could you please read to us the market value of the same property?
The market value is 1,579,000 pesos.
At this point, Your Honor, may we request that that figure be encircled and bracketed as our Exhibit 163-A, Your Honor.
Mark the document and the, what do you call that, fair market value?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I'm now referring to the assessed value of the same document, in the tax declaration. Can you read it for us, Mr. Witness?
The assessed value is 236,850.
Your Honor, at this point, may we request that the assessed value be encircled and bracketed as our Exhibit 163-B, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Okay. Now, Mr. Witness,
Yes, sir.
I'm now referring to another tax declaration, this time with number D078-05643, and for TCT number N254901, issued by the Register of Deeds of Quezon City. Do you have it with you, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you kindly tell us under whose name this property is declared in the tax declaration in your possession?
This is declared to Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato Corona.
Can you kindly tell us where this property is located?
This property is located in La Vista Subdivision, Barangay Pansol.
Okay. Now, please take note, Your Honor, that in the presence of the prosecution, this has been previously pre-marked as our Exhibit 164, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Mr. Witness, I'm now referring to the dorsal portion of that exhibit, Exhibit 164. And I would like to call your attention, Mr. Witness, to that portion on the market value. Could you read that for us?
It is 3 million pesos.
Okay, Your Honor, at this point, may we request that the amount of 3 million pesos be encircled and be bracketed as our Exhibit 164-A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly. What's the date of that tax declaration?
October 1, 2004, Your Honor.
Does it include the area of the property?
Yes, Your Honor.
How many square meters?
1,200 square meters, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. If I may proceed, Mr. Witness, I'm referring now to the same document, the same dorsal portion, and there is that portion on assessed value. Can you read to us the assessed value of the property?
The assessed value is 450,000 pesos.
Your Honor, at this point, may we request that the assessed value be encircled and bracketed as our Exhibit 164, Your Honor. 164-B, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Okay. Now, I have a question for you, Mr. Witness, referring to that same previous document. Could you please tell us the present status of the tax declaration?
The present status of this tax declaration, this was already cancelled.
And could you give us or tell us the reason why it was now cancelled?
The reason for the cancellation of this tax declaration, because this was transferred to another person.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Witness.
Transferred to whom?
Transferred to Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo III, Your Honor.
Under what manner of transfer? By succession, donation, the sale, what?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's not indicated.
You do not know?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
Your Honor, I'm now referring to our last document as referred to in the subpoena,
Yes.
Duces Tecum, and I'm referring to a tax declaration with number D-078-02378 under TCT number N85121 issued by the Register of Deeds of Quezon City. Do you have this with you, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And could you please tell us, okay, I'm sorry. Yes. Could you please tell us, Mr. Witness, who is the declared owner of this property?
The declared owner is spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona.
And can you kindly tell us where the property is located, Mr. Witness?
It's located in Ayala Heights, Barangay Pansol in Quezon City.
Okay. Mr. Witness, I am now referring to the dorsal portion of the same document. Your Honor, at this point, let me inform you that this document has been previously marked as our Exhibit 165, pre-marked in the presence of the prosecution, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Okay. Mr. Witness, I'm now referring to the market value of the property. Could you please tell us the market value?
The market value is 1,150,000 pesos.
What is the date of that the document?
The date is August 22, 1996, Your Honor.
Does the document state the number of square meters involved in that transfer of that property?
Yes, Your Honor.
How many square meters?
460 square meters, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
Your Honor, at this point, may we request that the amount of 1,150,000 pesos be encircled and bracketed as our Exhibit 165-A, Your Honor. Okay. And Your Honor, I'm sorry. Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
I'm now referring, Mr. Witness, to that portion on the assessed value of the property, at the dorsal portion of the same document. Can you read the assessed value for us, Mr. Witness?
The assessed value is 172,500.
Your Honor, at this point, may we request that the assessed value, as mentioned, be encircled and be marked as our Exhibit 165-B, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Your Honor, we have marked the documents. Thank you very much. And I'm ready for the prosecution.
Is that all?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Cross?
We will conduct no cross-examination of this witness, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Next witness, Mr. President.
If there are no questions, Your Honor, may we request that the witness be discharged.
No cross?
No cross, Your Honor.
All right, the witness is discharged.
Thank you, Your Honor.
1 minute suspension.
Okay.
Prinisinta po ang Assessor's Office OIC ng Quezon City para po i-mark lamang yung mga items within the tax declaration nitong mga property ni Chief Justice Corona sa Quezon City. Particularly, ang tinukoy po ng depensa kasi ay yung mga values or yung mga amounts involved, yung fair market value, yung para po siguro patunayan na itong mga halaga na nailagay sa SAL-N ay may